guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to get my nails done for you this time. So I want to go home, then just freshen up, look in them town, then donate on my nails, then come back home. It's Friday, so I just posted a new vlog and I hope you guys have watched it. If you haven't, please watch it. Please go watch. Go and watch. Oh, we're in town. And it will not get ready my nails, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh.
Inozombona kunge nafunga A-level ngokuthi shayelo achiti vediva chithi kana musina mari kumba kwenyu ende kuchipurisa nekuchisoja vanangu kuchitrain. Put it out the coupe in the lot, told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT, buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put stick in the box. The whole damn film, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night I know the movie came in. Just want to stay close, don't fuck on the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows.
Here are the motherfucking new name.
Gango Sara. Kana anga chitoma da basa kuchauka namo. It's a slice. Alright. Thanks. Hi guys. It's Saturday and I was making my wig, the one I'm wearing now, and the lighting is pretty bad so I can't show you. So I'll show you when the vanilla lighting is none. But yeah, this is the wig that I'm making. I'm not done yet, but I want to get in town. I want to get bread and I want to get bread and tomatoes for next week. It's Saturday, so tomorrow I don't want to get in town. I want to sleep and sort of rest a bit. Yeah. And besides, it's so hot that I don't want to get in town every day. So I wanted to get in town today so that Mangwana, I'll be like home all day. So like I was saying, this is the wig that I'm making. And I'm almost done though. And how it came out and why in that way I do. Just put on my glasses because I'm sorry. I mean, those are my sister, not I'm sorry. Those are my sister. So this is the wig that I made, guys. It's not even yet done because my braids actually, look at them. But yeah, I think I love this, and landlord and she actually wants to buy one, so I think it's pretty nice. So yeah, I love it. I didn't love the closure part, so I just took this lace sort of so I wear it like this. Pressure, so yeah, that's how it is. So I don't think we need 10 minutes to town. I think it will be less than 10 minutes, then we go back home. It's around 4, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys. So the heat, it's so hot. Shishana is extremely hot. Kana ukanzi basa kwa kwanda ukutransfer yanda ukuisa ushawani rampa. I'm sorry if I did you wrong. I had to I'm sorry I'm good to see it. Zoka utore juicy akora wakakangana. Morning, guys. How are you? It's Sunday, and I don't think I'll be going out today. I wanted to go and see my mom, so I'll see around 3. Ndukufila say, and it's 1 o'clock. I woke up at 12. I wasn't sleeping. Like I got out of bed around 12. So yeah, and so my day is pretty short today. So I'm not sure. I'll see around 3 4 to end on Waone or not. If I don't go, I'll be here. So I just want to make my, I don't know if it is it even breakfast. but yeah, I'm going to have tea and toast. Not even toast. There is a chingoma for maker, so it's just a toast. I mean, maybe yeah, maybe banana, because I haven't eaten since morning. So that's what I'm going to have, and I'm going to watch TV, and I'll see around 12 kuti yo around 3 kuti later say will I be here or ndobandaenda. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do, and I want to end this vlog today because I don't have anything planned. Even tomorrow I don't have anything planned, but I'm really enjoying this week, honestly. So I don't know how it will look with me. There's all makeup. I think it can get more nicer that way, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Watching Deep City. So yeah, nothing do date I'm but I'll see. I really miss my little sister. So I want to see to look at someone more or not. But yeah. Let me just prepare my lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it. That's what I want to prepare. Making me sweat.
Know that because number one, if you're gonna talk about my child, talk about it correctly. I haven't seen my son since he was 7 months. What type of
So I'm sleepy. I don't think I'll be going to see my parents, by the way. It's crazy. I feel bad. Yo, don't create a competition. I'm saying I don't think I'll be going kuno my parents. And I feel so bad, but honestly speaking, I just want to sleep. It's 2, is it 2 o'clock? What time is it? Oh, it's 20 past 2 in the afternoon. So I'll be sleeping, I think around 4 Vandamuka, then cook. So I want to end my vlog here. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in my next vlog. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mostly, guys, please subscribe. Please. Catfish, the show, and Irunakit. If you like, you can watch it on Sunday. I think getting around 12. Was it around 12? Up to almost half 2. So yeah, that's the. Oh no, it'll be around 3. It'll be around 3. So ndo and guy, I hate this part of my week. I really hate it.